I've been expecting you to press this video so you can see what the hell I'm doing. And welcome back. We're gonna draw some supervillains today. And I always thought about this cool Dr. No. Did he ever have a cat, or is that just something I have taught myself to believe? Anywho, a good supervillain will always sit with a cat on his lap. Now I thought it would be pretty hilarious if it was the cat sitting with a bald man on his lap. And you know, cats are the real supervillains. I hope you like cats, you freaking idiots, because this is gonna be a cat video. Okay. Person like this, sitting in chair like this, looking down on you. Big wide shoulders, having arms like this. Yep. And he's sitting in a big, nice, comfy, evil chair from evil IKEA. Got your regular evil chair going for you. Okay, so he's petting this thing that's sitting on his lap. Yep. You know what I see in my mind right now? I just realized what the hell I'm actually getting myself into. Yeah, let's not focus on the naked man sitting in his arms. Let's focus on the cat's face. How are we gonna make this cat evil and fluffy? You know what? I'm not that good at drawing cats. I have a few cat pictures up on my screen here. We gotta have some big fluffy sides here. And as I said, he's an evil cat, so gotta have some evil eyes. Yeah, this is gonna be really good. Big ears, big ears. Yeah, big fluffy cat. Let's see. Gotta have some of these whiskers. I really want that tongue there. Okay, Mr. Fluffy Cat, Mr. Evil Cat, Dr. Cat. I think that's what we shall call him, Dr. Cat. Okay, so we got our Dr. Evil kind of jacket here. Whenever you make a supervillain, it's just important he has something that you can really remember. If you watch a cartoon or a movie, the supervillain always has this accent. He will always speak like a German. Or maybe he is missing a leg. And now this supervillain, Dr. Cat, he has the most recognizable and remember-worthy feature ever. He's a freaking cat, and no one will ever be able to take that away from him. Now, let's see. Okay, he just turned around in his chair. You can see I'm really trying to avoid drawing the naked man, just working on details. Okay, we can't postpone it. Gotta do it. Okay, naked man, here we go. Gotta have a big ugly nose. It's important he doesn't look like a baby. Big ears. There we go. Oh, don't you love this? Yeah, this is gonna be good. It's gonna be really stupid. And you know I really love my stupid. You gotta have your daily stupid. So this cat is petting this poor bald man. Not something you say every day. Gotta have a bit claw here. So what do we have? We have oh, okay. Think I'm gonna move Mr. Baldman a bit. Much better. More fluffiness. Yes, please. Please, you gotta tell me what you think of this abomination. You have to write down in the comments what you think. And I am actually wondering, who's your favorite supervillain? Is it the Joker? Is it Dr. Evil? Is it Codman from South Park? He's a pain in the ass. Maybe he's not a supervillain, but yeah. My favorite supervillain. That is something I cannot reveal. Because if I did, I would have to kill you. And we can't have me framed for murder, because I'm not a supervillain. Let's move his face. Cute little cat face. Yeah, he has this. Please don't forget to go down in the description of this video and check out the link for the finished drawing. You can always find that on my Instagram or my DeviantArt, ArtStation, Facebook, whatever you have. What's going on with this arm? I'm having a bit trouble here. You know what? Let's finish this chair first of all. Naked Man gotta shrink his head a bit because he was looking a bit weird. Now this is actually turning out quite alright. And now we are fortunate enough to have a brilliant imagination so we can make up our own story. What the hell happened here? Was this bald guy the original evil person and the cat just kinda took over? Or did something else horrible happen to this poor bald man who is definitely not a baby? Let me know what you think. Gotta have some ideas. And I love your ideas. You might even have some ideas for what I should draw next time. You know, you gotta keep the ideas flowing. So, okay. I think we're gonna make him a bit bigger, like this. And let's see. Yeah, I think it's good we place the hand like this. Because otherwise I would be drawing a naked ass right now. And you wouldn't like to see that. That would be a bit of a shame to put up on poor little YouTube. And I'm sure you can go somewhere else for your asses if you need some. Yeah, you know what? This is done. This is the evilest of all evil doctors in the world. This is Dr. Cat, and he's coming to get you if you don't like and subscribe. Bye. I'm done.